Autophagy is a major threat to the healthcare cash cow. That is, your body will heal itself, every human body. But you need to trigger this self-healing. Just ask MMA multiple champion Georges St-Pierre.
I do also prolonged fasting. So what I do, when I do prolonged fasting, I do 4 days, only water. And when I train, I take salt in my hand, I put a little bit and I lick.
3 days is all it takes. More if you're hardcore. It's not only your body doing a reset and giving yourself a break from all the food, chemicals, and unhealthy things we all consume, but your body takes inventory during that fasting time and boots out your bad cells. A total cleanup. Industry doesn't like this. There is no money in fasting, but there is absolute health. No pills, no superfoods, no drugs, just you and your immune system. As said, self-healing makes sense, but makes no sense.
You know, every single institution in America that touches our health, from hospitals to clinics to pharmaceutical companies, medical schools, even insurance companies, they all make more money when we are sick.
So autophagy is Greek for self-eating. This isn't about the body harming itself like a virus or cancer cell. It's about your body cleaning house, removing, recycling, and regenerating healthier, newer cells. Autophagy is the body's natural way of getting rid of toxins, breaking down dysfunctional proteins, and eliminating old cells that can turn into disease. Autophagy helps you feel younger, stronger, and healthier, simply by doing without. So how do you activate this autophagy process? It's fasting. That is, no calories. When you fast, your body senses a period of scarcity. With no new nutrients coming in, your cells realize they need to adapt. They turn on autophagy, a process that ensures they're in the best possible shape to survive. Let's break down what happens during a fast. After 8 hours, your body starts making a switch from using glucose as its primary energy source to burning stored fat. At 12 hours, your liver starts producing ketones, which your brain can use as an alternative and somewhat superior energy source. This is when you begin to experience increased mental clarity and focus. By 13 hours, growth hormone production ramps up. This hormone helps you burn fat and maintain muscle.
It actually helps with body fat, so it's one of the main fat-burning hormones. It also helps in building lean muscle mass, thus the word growth hormone.
Testosterone levels increase too, by as much as 1,300% in men over a 15-hour period. Then by 17 hours, the truly transformative happens. Your cells start a deep cleaning process. They begin to repair themselves, eliminate old damaged cells, and recycle components to generate new, healthier cells. Your body is systematically seeking out potential threats, like precancerous cells or aging zombie cells, and clearing them out before they can do harm. After 24 hours, your entire gut begins to reset. Stem cells in your intestines start to repair the gut lining, which can improve digestion, enhance nutrient absorption, and even boost your immune system. At 36 hours, the body begins to tap into its most stubborn fat reserves, specifically around the belly, and burns it for energy. And at 72 hours, your entire immune system resets. Yes, that's right. Old immune cells are broken down and recycled, and your body produces new, more effective immune cells that are better equipped to fight off disease and infection. But should you fast for 72 hours all the time? The short answer is no. You don't need to fast for 3 days every week to experience the benefits of autophagy. There are different types of fasts that can fit your lifestyle, while still giving you a boost in health and longevity. A 72-hour water fast done twice a year is enough to eliminate aging cells and keep your immune system young. A 48-hour fast once per quarter is ideal if you're dealing with mental health issues. This duration stimulates deep cell repair, helps regulate your mood, and reduces symptoms of anxiety and depression. For weight loss, a 36-hour fast once a month can push your body into fat-burning mode, especially if you're targeting stubborn belly fat. A 24-hour fast once a week can provide ongoing health benefits. It's a manageable duration for most people and helps keep your body in a regular state of repair. As always, check with your doctor if you have specific concerns or issues. Now, when you're fasting, it's crucial to be mindful of how you break your fast and the foods you include in your diet.
When you're fasting, the number one mistake is to think that the fasting allows you to overeat in that time, either too many calories, or it allows you to eat whatever you want in the period of time that you're not fasting.
Here are foods that can maximize the benefits of fasting. Bone broth can help ease your digestive system back into eating. It's easy on your system and it is rich in electrolytes, gelatin, and collagen. It helps with muscle repair, inflammation, and overall gut health. Avocado is one of the best ways to break a fast. Its high fat content suppresses the hunger hormone, making it easier to avoid overeating once you start eating again. Coffee research shows that coffee can enhance autophagy in the liver and muscle tissue. Just make sure it's organic and mold-free, as contaminated coffee can counteract these benefits. Green tea is another powerful stimulator of autophagy. It has neuroprotective effects and is a great alternative if you want less caffeine than coffee. Olive oil, especially when unheated and high quality, has been shown to reduce the harmful proteins associated with Alzheimer's disease and certain cancers. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, promotes autophagy in pancreatic cells and helps reduce inflammation throughout the body. Pair it with black pepper to enhance absorption and make the most of its benefits. With these foods and a structured fasting plan, you can activate your body's natural self-healing abilities. But consistency is key. Whether you choose to do a short fast once a week or an extended fast a few times a year, sticking to a routine will help you reap the benefits in the long run. Remember, this isn't just about losing weight or temporarily improving your health. It's about giving your body the time and space to heal itself from the inside out. Transformative health is already within you. By tapping into autophagy, you can clear out what's holding you back and unlock your body's true potential. Don't be afraid to start small. Begin with a 12-hour fast and see how you feel. Then, slowly build up to longer fasting windows as your body adapts. Listen to your body, be patient, and let it guide you toward better health.